In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to QuickBooks Online. Managing your business finances becomes a lot easier when all your transactions are automatically synced in one place. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool that helps you keep track of your income and expenses, and by linking your credit card, you can save time and reduce manual data entry. Whether you're a business owner or bookkeeper, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process to ensure your credit card transactions sync seamlessly. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find all the main navigation options. From here, click on the Transactions section. This will expand a menu of options related to your financial activities. Within that menu, select Bank Transactions. Now that you're on the Bank Transactions page, look to the top right corner of your screen there. You'll see a button labeled Link Account. Click on that button to begin the process of connecting your credit card to QuickBooks. Next, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type in the name of your credit card provider. As you type, QuickBooks will present a list of matching options. Carefully review the results and select the one that exactly matches your credit card provider. Once you've selected your provider, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials for your credit card account. This is the same username and password you would normally use to log in to your credit card's online portal. Take a moment to ensure that you've entered this information correctly. After entering your credentials, you'll need to complete the authentication process. This step is required to establish a secure connection between QuickBooks and your credit card provider. Depending on your provider, this might involve verifying a code sent to your phone or email, or answering a security question. Follow the prompts to complete this process. Once authentication is successful, QuickBooks will begin setting up a live feed for your credit card transactions. This may take a moment, so be patient while the connection is established. After the setup is complete, it's important to verify that everything is working as expected. Check your bank transactions page to confirm that your credit card transactions are syncing automatically. You should see your recent transactions appear in the feed, ready to be categorized. And that's it. You've successfully added your credit card to QuickBooks Online. With this connection in place, you'll save time and maintain more accurate financial records. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.